everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because I've been dying to talk about this product. But before I get into it, if you are brand new here, please subscribe. I am back and doing weekly videos, and I'm here to tell you all things about beauty and simplifying makeup and hopefully introduce you to some products that you guys will find to be really beneficial for your life. Today's video, I am here to tell y'all about a brand new product from my brand, Live Tinted. And I just want to tell you guys, because I haven't actually talked about this and gotten like emotional about it with you since I've come back to YouTube. I just feel like this brand has been a dream of mine since I was 16 years old, because I would go down beauty aisles and never see myself represented. And I told my family, my very immigrant parents, that one day I was going to create a brand that changed that narrative. And I feel like that's what we're doing, you know? We're like the little engine that could, and we're growing steady and slowly. And I'm just so proud of the journey. And so, if you're new here and just hearing about Live Tinted for the first time, welcome. I hope you guys find something, I feel very confident that you'll find something that you love, because we've really thought through how to create products that service so many different people. What started with a color correcting beauty hack right here on YouTube that made me go viral has turned into a physical product that has now won an Allure Best of Beauty 3 years in a row. And now we have a whole brand, and we're in almost every single Ulta Beauty door nationwide. We are in Sephora Canada. We are in Ulta Target doors. We're still very young, and there's still a lot we have to prove. At the end of the day, I think the thing people don't really talk about is that it is a very competitive beauty landscape. And a lot of times influencers talk about the same few brands, and again, this is not me hating on any of them, because I love these brands too. The Rare Beauties of the world, the Hudas of the world, Mario's of the world, which is, by the way, again, love all of those brands. What I hope that you guys will do is take a chance to experience Live Tinted, because the products are phenomenal. And I'm saying this not just as the brand founder, but also somebody who's worked in beauty my whole life. I started my career working at L'Oreal, then I worked at a beauty startup called Birchbox, and then I became a beauty influencer, and now I have a beauty brand. Products and experienced what a great brand can be. And a great brand can be thoughtful, ethical. We're trying our best to make it eco-friendly as much as possible, but also create good for you ingredients. And I'm not gonna sit here and say like, oh, makeup is going to like improve your health, but I think it can help your mental health. Honestly, when I put in some products that make me feel good, it changes my whole day. And so what we try to do when you put on makeup is, how can we invest in really good skincare products, skincare ingredients inside your products to make you feel good when you're putting on your makeup. Today, I'm actually here to tell y'all about our Hueguard tints. If you've been following, our Hueguard Mineral SPF is one of y'all's favorites. Clearly, I use mine all the time too. This was a product everyone told me not to create. They were like, okay, no new brands launches with a mineral SPF in their first few years. It's really hard to make, it's super expensive, and good luck. But I was so obsessed with the idea of making one that was centered around the idea of no white cast, because I remember growing up and feeling the disappointment of having that whiteness on my face and feeling so not seen by the beauty industry. So that's where this product came into the mix. And it's actually the product that made Sephora interested in us. Like the head buyer, who's an amazing badass Indian woman named Priya, saw that we won a WWD Innovation Award, which, by the way, again, a really big deal for a small brand to win. And she was like, I want this product in Sephora, which is really exciting for me, because Sephora told us no for years. We haven't launched in Sephora US yet, because we are really committing to our Ulta partnership. We are in Sephora Canada, but I think after the success of this product, there was a few things you guys said. It was, I want 50. I want mineral SPF 50. And I think for me, if we were gonna do that, it still had to stick to the no white cast premise, because that is what I want us to be known for. Nobody was even talking about that before we launched this product. Now you hear it all the time. People with more dollars to spend, bigger brands, are able to amplify it, but that is really how we started this. It was around no white cast. I remember even when I told people, our investors and our board, they were like, will people even know what no white cast means? And I was like, the people who have experienced it will. And that was true. You guys love this product. You're using it. It's actually the product that we've had the most use up rate at Ulta. You guys have come in and purchased it multiple times. And I get you. I feel you. Clearly, I'm using mine a lot too. But I wanted to level it up. I wanted to take it to the next step and create the 50. So here it is. This is the Hueguard tints. It is a mineral SPF 50 with no white cast, and it has beautiful shades to it. And there's 10 flexible, gorgeous shades that will just seamlessly melt into your skin, but help you feel seen in the shade range that we have really thoughtfully curated and created. The skincare ingredients in here are going to make your skin love this product. There is butterfly bush flower extract. Try saying that 3 times. Butterfly bush flower extract, butterfly bush flower extract, butterfly bush flower extract, butterfly bush flower extract. There's also Indian gooseberry and hyaluronic acid, an ingredient that we have across all of our products, basically. I see this as your everyday product. Can you layer these two together? Absolutely. You can put this on for your the appropriate amount of SPF, and then put this on for a little bit of extra coverage and tint, or just put this on. Quite honestly, there's so many ways you can wear this product. It is so beautiful. I have it on right now. I have that on, and I spot concealed with our concealer, and I used our brand new powder along with it. So that's the other exciting thing. We've created an extension to our Hue Skin Serum Concealer with our Hue Skin Brightening Core Setting Powder. There are 3 different shades. And to tell you how cute is this, it says, now go get seen. I wanted a little affirmation every single time that you open the powder and look at it. For me, I am not a baker, I'm not a caker. I don't know how to use loose setting powder. It's very intimidating to me. I wanted to create one that was our own innovation of it. So I created a setting powder, but I wanted us to own the fact that we are color correcting authorities. And so we created a color correcting powder that has brightening cores for 3 different skin tones. You'll see that there is one for fair skin, medium skin, and deeper skin that all have a brightening core that you can take and target to specific parts of your face that you want brightening, or swirl around the entire thing and put it all over your face for overall setting. And I think, again, for me, I just want us to do things different. I want us to do things that cater to you. What you have come to our brand for, I want you to feel seen from that. And we're doing it. And for anyone who's wondering, whoa, brown packaging, that's different. So glad you realized. It started with the brown girl at the core. And so what I told myself was, I know our brand is growing, especially with Ulta and Sephora, and there's gonna be people of all different tints, from the lightest tone to the deepest tone, that use the products. And that's important to me. I want us to be a global beauty brand that is so inclusive and changes this industry. To me, that's how you make the biggest impact. The more people who use your products, the more impact you can make and change in the world. But I never wanna forget how we started, and that was with the brown girl. I wanted to make sure our complexion products always had that sort of at its core. So you can see this beautiful new chocolate brown added to our brand across our complexion products. And yeah, again, everything is thoughtful. We think about everything we do, and I'm just so proud of that. I hope you guys try this product out. It is a game changer. It will be a part of your everyday routine. I am blabbing, but I promise you it's because this product is worth the blab. It is everything. Welcome to the world, Hueguard Tints. I can't wait to hear what y'all think. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see from Live Tinted. We have a lot of really fun things in the works, and you guys are going to love it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you will learn a lot of inside tea that I don't tell anyone else. I want this to be the channel where my most loyal followers and supporters get to know everything first. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for being on this journey with us and Live Tinted. It means the absolute world to me. And yeah, until next time.